In this video, I am going to show you how to add music in a Canva video. 1. Open Canva and log into your account. 2. Canva offers a wide range of video templates suitable for different social media platforms. Select a template that fits your project's needs, or you can start with a blank canvas by uploading your own video. 3. Decide on the format of your video based on where you plan to share it. Canva provides options tailored to YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, etc., ensuring your video fits perfectly on the intended platform. 4. Navigate to the audio section in Canva, where you can choose from a variety of audio tracks and sound effects. If you have a specific track in mind, you can also upload your own music. After selecting your audio, drag the track to align with the intended frame in your video. This step is crucial for ensuring that your audio syncs perfectly with your visual content. Also, Canva allows you to trim the audio track to match the length of your video clips. This ensures that your audio starts and ends exactly where you want it, providing a seamless viewing experience. And once you're done, just click download the video and see the file in your computer. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.